Here's an interesting app called Zero, Fasting and Health Tracker, weight loss and metabolic health. So let's just tap to install it. And then, yeah, we would be able to use the app. Let's just go through it together. It's time to get off the dieting seesaw. With Zero, tap into the power of intermittent fasting and other healthy habits to lose weight and build momentum on your journey toward living longer and better. It's one of the best apps in this category. You can select different modes, different regimes, build consistency and maintain momentum. This app has a whopping almost 400,000 reviews and 4.8 average rating, which is pretty hard to achieve something like that. So here you can just create an account easily with Apple, or you can see other sign up options, plenty of options how you can get started easily. And then you can just add like a birth date, for example. And then you can just get started. You can enable notifications, and then you can just build your plan. I don't actually have no idea like with this system. So like how to convert to metric system as well, because I'm in Europe. So anyhow, it doesn't matter. And then you can just tap get started, and then you can instantly get upgraded, and then you can just, for only $135 per week, you can upgrade. But let's see, here in this app, you also have a free option, because there is another popular app, Fast Easy. There you can only have paid plan, and that's it. So it's kind of hard. Here, you can also try it out in a free plan. And then you just see upcoming fast 16 hours. What are you eating? And it's like start fasting. So you see anabolic fasting time started today. And then, you need to fast for like 16 hours. Your dietary preference, body composition, activity all influence which fasting zones you enter and when. And then find your fasting zone. Just understand how much move each day will help you tailor your zone predictions, either sedentary or active. So are you active? And then you just select which sounds most likely your eating style. And then you can just confirm your biometric data. And then you can just better describe and create these fasting zones for you. And then, so then you can just see how you're fasting. And that's like a super easy like approach. So you just start fasting, and in this app you just tap, okay, I just started fasting, and then okay, I just want to stop fasting right now. So that's basically the process. And then you can have different scenarios. You can have a lot of different content to read. You have your account. You can see recent fast. You can see trends, and then all the analytics, all data. And this app is just kind of motivates you. It's kind of a simple action just to tap a button and start fasting, but then it kind of also motivates you to fast and all of that. So yeah, you can always upgrade. 7 days free and then $69.99 per year, so you can do that, and hope this is helpful.